How to hard factory reset an Icefox 4K action camera. You're going to want to do this for a couple reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this camera is not working right, it's freezing, it's bugging, stuff like that. The second reason is if you just want to wipe all of the settings, all of your anything that you've put in here, you can go ahead and return it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. It's really easy. What we're going to do is from the main screen, we're going to, this bottom right button here, you can see the little gear icon. We're going to go ahead and touch that. And then when we get to this screen here, we're going to again touch this gear in the middle on the left. And then you can just using these buttons on the side, we're going to toggle down. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom. And when we get all the way down to the bottom, you'll see that we come to factory reset. So once we hit factory reset, I can just hit the power button on top to select it. It's just going to ask me to confirm it. And I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And then I'm going to just wait for it to do its thing. And now it is factory reset. This is basically the screen that you get when you turn it on. So anyways, hope this video helped. If it did, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.